What is going on, everybody? Tripping over detritus. What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to do a first world solution. We're not going to call it a life hack. So here's the situation. You've been out in the yard doing chores, cleaning up. Even though it's November, you worked up a thirst. You take your bottle of cold, clean, clear, doesn't smell of anything funky tap water, and you can just chug that, but that's not quite good enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our jug of our favorite electrolytic enhancer. It keeps our water portable. We can take it out in the yard with us, don't have to worry about spilling it, put the lid back on, knock it off the mower, no biggie. Problem being, you've got this scoop, and the scoop is pretty big, and the mouth of this bottle is pretty small. Now you could fiddle fart it around and get it in there, but you're going to make a big mess. We need a solution. What we're going to do is we're going to take one of these. I'm sure you've got these laying around. They're pretty ubiquitous. And we're going to cut all the way around right there. Let me get my knife. Always have a knife on me, but not today. For some reason, must have left it upstairs. And I've already broken a sweat just from working out in the yard. So, yieldy machete is going to have to do. Let's get to cutting. I missed. Cut the label, didn't cut the bottle. Well, I've deflated the bottle. I don't know if that's where it bounced off the wall or if that's where I hit it. This bottle's done. Shattered the top. Still not going through it. Let's get another bottle. Check it out. My aim is improved, and I've gone through the bottle. Unfortunately, that bottle's toast too. Determined the problem is the machete is dull. I can't find my sharpening stone, and I'm impatient. Spray adhesive to some sandpaper to a stick because I can't find my sharpening stone, and I've cut through my sandpaper. Let's try another method. The stick with the sandpaper wrapped around it didn't work, so going with the death wheel. Got those some sparks just in case. Pulled the pin. Dropped the pin. I don't know where it went. Loud noise warning. Why does this always happen to me? Be ashamed to miss a good opportunity, though. that out. Now over there's on fire. Flaming chunk of machete went by the propane tanks. Never claimed to be the smartest. Alright, so I've got a good edge on the machete. I don't think I could shave with it. Now, let's see if I can get this. Whiffed it. Did I get it? Did I get it? Ha ha! Got it. It's a little jagged. It's a little jagged. A little tearing there where it went through. Got him. Alright. We've got it cut. It's kind of jagged. Doesn't matter. Doesn't have to be pretty. You're going to take this bit right here. That bit comes off. This bit goes down in there like that. See if I can find this blind. Take 1 scoop of your favorite electrolytic enhancer. No muss, no fuss. Wash, rinse, repeat. And when this gets too gunky and you just don't feel like washing it, pitch it. Another one of those. Try it again. Then all you gotta do is screw the top back on. I just got splashed. Liquid relief from the heat. This has been a first world solution. Don't call it a life hack. Thanks for watching.